Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new around here, my name is MollyKate. Today's video is actually kind of just a mini vlog and I'm going to be asking my bridesmaids and maid of honor to be my bridesmaids and maid of honor. So I'm super excited. I'm putting together these gifts right now, kind of like these boxes, and I see a lot of these boxes on Pinterest, but they tend to be kind of cheesy and they kind of tend to all look the same. And so I didn't want to make any boxes that had gifts in them, you know, that said like bridesmaid on the cup, and you know, you see like wine glasses, mugs, tumblers that say bridesmaids on it or they have the person's name on it. I don't know, it's just a little bit cheesy to me. So these boxes kind of just have gifts in them that I kind of think each person would like. And so I'll show you the process of making the box, but basically I just picked a mug and each mug is different. And so I have 6 bridesmaids and maid of honor, so each mug is a little different for each person, with a notebook, some candy, some goodies. I'm just gonna put it all together. And everything that I have in this video, I'm going to actually link down below, because trust me guys, these boxes are amazing. And I'm talking the actual box itself. If you are a bride-to-be and you haven't asked your bridesmaids yet, click the link down below, because you're going to want to order these boxes off of Amazon because they're perfect. Not only are they my color pink, but they have a magnetic lid, and trust me, you're just gonna want these ones. So check out the links in the description for everything that I have in the boxes, and yeah. So now I'm at the post office and I'm sending Sabrina hers since she lives in Pittsburgh.
What are these gifts? These are some prizes. Wait, I want to sit in between you two. Don't open it yet. Let me sit in between you two. I am comfortable. This is my last surprise for her. Come on.
For what? What is this?
This is a surprise. It's just a surprise.
Okay. Can you open it?
You can open it.
Okay.
Wait, I forgot how to open it.
Come on, Sue.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Wow!
Did you read it?
Oh my god! Yes, I will be your bridesmaid. Wait, that's adorable.
Read what? Oh, yes, I will. No,
Oh, wait, that's so
I won't.
cute.
Wait.
Show it to them. Show it to my guys. Aww. Will you be my bridesmaid?
That's cute. Yes, I will, Molly.
Yeah. No, I don't want to actually. Never mind.
Are you happy you're not a junior bridesmaid? Yeah.
So cute.
That was my last surprise.
So, as you can see, I just asked my sisters, Kelly and Sam, to be my bridesmaids in my wedding, and we're so excited! Okay guys, so all of my bridesmaids are asked, everybody got their boxes, everyone loves them, and everyone said yes, which of course I knew they would, but I don't know, you can still kind of like get nervous, I guess. So it was a lot of fun putting these boxes together. I think it just adds, I don't know, it just adds more to it when you really kind of get into it and put together a fun gift for them rather than just like texting them or calling them. I don't know. So I had a lot of fun with it, and as you kind of saw in this video, the only person that I actually recorded their reaction were my 2 sisters, Kelly and Sam. So when they came over for family game night, I kind of had Gabe record their reactions, and they did not see it coming. Like, they knew, obviously, since they're my sisters, that they were going to be bridesmaids, but they didn't know that I was like making gifts or that I was going to give it to them that day. So that was fun, and that's the video clip that you saw. But then Sabrina, I had to put hers in the mail because she lives in Pittsburgh, and she just got hers and she absolutely loved it. And then I didn't record Hannah's reaction. Hannah's my maid of honor, because I got so nervous. I don't know, she came over and she just walked in my apartment after driving from Cincinnati for like 2 hours, and we were like not looking that good. We're like wearing sweats, we're just hanging out, and I don't know, she just like did not see it coming. So I didn't want to be like, oh Gabe, like here's my phone, like record this. She would have been like, why is he recording? So it just would have been weird. So we're just super casual. So she absolutely loved it, and she was definitely shocked. Like, she was like, what? I didn't know you were giving me this today. And I was like, yep, there you go. And then I went to Cincinnati to visit Hannah, and Hannah and I went over to my cousin's house to drop off the boxes for Morgan and Caroline. Those were the last two. and only Caroline was home. And we did this like socially distant, like Hannah stayed in the car and Caroline and I both had our masks on, and I like dropped them at the door, and I like was trying to talk to Caroline. I'm like, make sure Morgan gets her box. And so I didn't really record it because it was like late at night and we're like outside wearing masks. But then they sent me the photo when Morgan got home of them on the couch opening their little boxes, so that made me happy. But guys, I have my bride tribe. I'm so excited. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some inspo, or it was just kind of fun to watch as I'm documenting my wedding journey. And yeah, comment down below and like this video if you enjoyed watching. And as always, make sure you click the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye guys.